Welcome! If you're ready to connect with friends or start fresh conversations on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to start a new chat on Pinterest, all updated for the latest version of the app as of June 2025. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap on the one labeled Inbox. This is where all your messages and notifications are organized, making it super easy to keep track of your conversations. Now, in the inbox, look for the new message icon. Depending on your device, this icon might look like a pencil or a plus sign. Tap on it to start a brand new chat. This will bring up a list of your Pinterest friends. Scroll through or use the search bar to quickly find the person you want to message. Once you've found your friend, simply tap their name to select them. If you want to message more than one person, you can select multiple friends for a group chat. When you're ready, tap Next at the top or bottom of your screen. This will open up a new chat window ready for your message. Now, type your message into the text field at the bottom. Whether you're sharing a new idea, sending a pin, or just saying hello, Pinterest makes it easy to stay in touch. Once you've finished typing, tap the send icon, usually a paper plane or arrow, and your message is on its way. And that's it. You've just started a new chat on Pinterest in a few quick steps. Remember, chatting on Pinterest is a great way to share inspiration, collaborate on boards, or simply catch up with friends. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!